Good morning, girls. Welcome to the class of BC, that is Business Communication. We are doing unit number 4, and unit number 4 is mainly focusing on letter writing. We have completed from last few lectures different types of letters related to business writing. We started with complaint and adjustment letters. We have done with the collection letters. We even observed sales letters. Now the final and the last topic related to your syllabus, that is report writing. Report writing is again giving you writing skill, opportunity to create, to make better your writing process. Report means something to draft, something to be drafted carefully, certain steps to be followed, and generally from higher authorities. This type of tasks are provided to the departmental heads. Report writing is a process done by different organizations with an objective to make organization better. કોઈપણ સંસ્થામાં ઇમ્પ્રુવમેન્ટ લાવવા માટે અલગ અલગ પ્રકારના રિપોર્ટ્સ સંસ્થા તૈયાર કરાવડાવતી હોય છે, રાઈટ? There are weekly reports, there are monthly reports, there are yearly reports, quarterly reports. Again, variety of reports are being drafted by different people, and they make certain kind of observations, and accordingly they draft, they prepare the report. Now today in this lecture you will come to know about the details related to the report, like why we do report, what are the types of report, then basically purpose behind writing the report. Then after, from tomorrow, we'll be having a kind of practice related to the report writing. After this topic, we'll be having a kind of an exercise lecture in which I'll be drafting, I'll be giving you an exercise related to the different letters. Along with that, I'll be showing about this report writing practice, like how it can be asked in your exam. Let's start about this report writing. As I told you, these reports are prepared to make business environment more effective. In modern business scenario, reports play a major role in the progress of business. Reports are the backbone to the thinking process of the establishment, and they are responsible to a great extent in involving an efficient or inefficient work environment. Reports are what? They are the backbone of the thinking process. Yes, what somebody is thinking, what the whole group is thinking, what the laborers are thinking, what these managers are thinking, what this particular department is thinking. If any problem is there, if any obstacle is there, then they are able to overcome by this kind of detailed analysis. Again, reports are nothing but the analysis of this particular organizational environment. They are responsible to a great extent in evolving. Evolving means developing an efficient and or inefficient work environment. કાં તો કામ સારું થાય છે ને કાં તો કામ બગડે છે રિપોર્ટ્સ દ્વારા. ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ, production department, higher authorities have found that production department is somehow not working efficiently. So the production manager is appointed to prepare a report about this inefficiency of work related to the department. હાયર ઓથોરિટીએ પ્રોડક્શન ડિપાર્ટમેન્ટને એવો એક રિપોર્ટ પ્રિપેર કરવાનો કીધો છે, અંડર વિચ he has to make analysis that why this is happening, what are the reasons this is happening, how we can improve this so that we can make our environment or organizational environment better. Before we move ahead, we should know like report, the origin of report is what? A report has derived means to get, derived from the word reportere, that means to carry back something. You are holding something, you have written something, you are drafting something, or this drafting will help you to make clear cut analysis about the overall scenario. Definition of report. A report is a systematic, well-organized document which defines and analyzes a subject or a problem. As I told you, these are the analysis made on a particular subject or on a particular problem. To produce a good report, it requires effort. કોઈ પણ સારો રિપોર્ટ લખવા માટે તમારે એનું સંશોધન કરવું પડે છે. એ મૂળ સમસ્યા કઈ છે, શું કામ થાય છે, એના કારણો શું છે, એના સોલ્યુશન શું છે, એ બધું જ તમારે રિપોર્ટમાં ઇન્ક્લુડ કરવું પડે. The content must be clear, concise and accurate. You should not draft a report like an essay. You should draft a report carefully, accurately, right? And as per the required steps, you have to divide your information into certain steps and through which you can make clear, concise એટલે ટૂંકું, સ્પષ્ટ, accurate again ચોક્કસ વાત તમે કરી શકો. અગેન તમે રિપોર્ટ કેટલા પ્રકારના સાંભળેલા છે કે મેં તમને વાત કરવાની શરૂઆત કરી. At that time also I told you like you might have observed weekly report, daily report. We start with daily report, then weekly report, right? Then monthly report, yearly report. Meeting overview report. So generally these are the different types. If we make the analysis of that, under the analysis four steps generally we observe from analysis point of view. Like we always follow a particular structure. We think about the length, then how formal it is, so that formality is needed. And obviously behind writing you are having the clear cut purpose, and so you are writing the report. A અત્યારે મોડર્ન બિઝનેસ ટાઈમમાં આ રિપોર્ટનું અગત્ય શું છે? સ્ટીલ વાય ઇટ ઇઝ ધેર ઇન યોર સિલેબસ? વાય આર યુ રિક્વાયર સિલેબસ? આઈ મીન ધ રિપોર્ટ રાઇટિંગ પ્રોસેસ. સિગ્નિફિકન્સ એટલે અગત્ય. Girls, this theory is not there. This is just a kind of a background which I have prepared for you, and this will help you to draft report in an easy manner. A report presents adequate information on the various aspects of the business. Reports help top management to outline the business. First is, a report presents adequate information on the various aspects of the business. અલગ અલગ વિષય ઉપરની માહિતી હાયર ઓથોરિટી પાસે ઘણીવાર હોતી નથી, તો એ અલગ અલગ ડિપાર્ટમેન્ટલ હેડ્સને એવું સોંપે છે કે ભાઈ તમારે આ પ્રકારના રિપોર્ટ્સ કે ઓવરઓલ રિપોર્ટ્સ મંથલી રિપોર્ટ તૈયાર કરો છો, તો એમાં જેના થ્રુ આપણે ઇમ્પ્રુવમેન્ટ રેશિયો છે એ વધારી શકીએ, રાઈટ? સો દેટ કાઇન્ડ ઓફ એડિક્વેટ ઇન્ફોર્મેશન કેન બી ડિમાન્ડેડ with various aspects, and that is useful for the business development. Reports help top management to outline the business, કે આગળ હજુ બિઝનેસ વધારે સારો કઈ રીતે થઈ શકશે, so that they are able to outline about the future perspective. Reports communicates planning, policies and other details of the organization. It communicates planning, how well planned the organization is, what policies they are forming, or according to the policy they are following the rules and regulations and other details related to the organization. What qualities are needed while writing a report? Yes, how to write a quality report. There are particularly 6 qualities which we have to adopt while writing a report. A report should be simple. It should be clear, giving clarity. Brevity, that is preciseness, concise. Accuracy, ચોક્કસ વાત ઉપર તમે રજૂ કરો છો. Relevance, તમારા રિપોર્ટનું અગત્ય, તો કે ઇઝ ઇટ રિલેવન્ટ ટુ ધ સબ્જેક્ટ વિચ ઇઝ જસ્ટિફાઈડ બાય યુ? શું તમે જે વિષય ઉપર વાત કરો છો એને રિલેવન્ટ તમારો રિપોર્ટ છે? તમને જે ઉપરથી કામ સોંપવામાં આવ્યું છે એના અંતર્ગત તમે રિપોર્ટ લખી રહ્યા છો? ગ્રામેટિકલ એક્યુરસી શુડ બી ધેર ઇન કેસ ઓફ યોર રાઇટિંગ. યસ, સો ધીઝ આર ધ ક્વોલિટીઝ વિચ યુ હેવ ટુ રિમેમ્બર વાઇલ રાઇટિંગ અ રિપોર્ટ, કારણ કે તમારે રિપોર્ટ પ્રેક્ટિકલી લખવાનો છે, એન્ડ ધેન આફ્ટર યુ વિલ બી એબલ ટુ ડ્રાફ્ટ ઇટ. Characteristics of a technical report. It deals with specific situation. It enables the reader to act. વાંચનારને ખ્યાલ આવે છે કે સુધારા કરવાની જરૂર છે. It is interactive. ઘણીવાર ઉદાહરણો, ઇન્ટરવ્યૂ, મંતવ્યો, મુશ્કેલીઓ સામે વાત કરતા હોય બેસીને એવું જ લાગતું હોય છે. It has a definite purpose, as I told you. Now, if we talk about the structure of the report, then structure is divided mainly into 3 sections: introduction, body paragraphs, conclusion. Again, this is just the beginning, right? What 4 steps you are going to adopt while writing the report, that is not there. In any case of your writing or in any topic, when the topic you are going to elaborate, it naturally is having, or it requires introduction, then you will focus on the subject and then you will conclude the matter. So this is how the things to be presented. So introduce your topic and state your thesis or the particularly report. Then body paragraphs include like topic sentence on which you are elaborating the thing, like support the main idea of the paragraph with evidence, some of the examples, meetings or the interviews or the opinions you have collected. You had a word with some people, then you can give certain evidences over there. Commentary explaining why it links to your ideas, or it links to your thesis, or it links to your report. So further additional explanation you will include to explain this justification that you have collected. that will be a part of recommendations. Earlier you will make the analysis and conclusion, in which you will summarize your thesis and you will provide your thoughts on the topic. So while writing the report, these particular steps you will follow, like research, plan and test, analysis, review and recommendations, test report and retest if required. This is about the detailed report writing, which is not there in your course, like it is needed for the further studies. Let's know about the introductory aspect, like what to include in the introduction. Right, while writing the introduction, it highlights the major topics that are covered and provides background information on why the data in report collected. શરૂઆત તમે એવી રીતે કરો છો કે તમને કોઈકના દ્વારા કામ સોંપાયેલું છે એટલા માટે તમે રિપોર્ટ કરો છો કે લખો છો, અને એ બેકગ્રાઉન્ડ સાથે તમે વાતને આગળ વધારો છો અને તમે એને અંતર્ગત જે રિપોર્ટ કે ડેટા કલેક્ટ કર્યો છે એ નીચે મુજબ છે એ રીતે તમે વાતની શરૂઆત કરશો. Before we go further, let me clarify, girls, that in your syllabus there is an only report called individual report writing. Individual report writing means a report which is prepared by an individual, called individual report writing. So regarding that, while writing the report, yes, you will include the background information, that why this data is collected by you. In the first paragraph you will introduce about this background information, that this person, so and so person, has appointed this duty to you, and regarding that you have collected a kind of a data and on which you are going to prepare the report. એમાં તમે આ રીતે પણ લખી શકો, like I wrote this report because so and so has suggested on the telephonic talk, as per their email, I have to prepare this report. There was a need of change in the organization, એટલે કે મારે આ રિપોર્ટ તૈયાર કરવા પાછળનું એક મુખ્ય કારણ શું છે, તો કે સંસ્થામાં કંઈક પરિવર્તનની જરૂર છે એટલે મારો રિપોર્ટ લખવો પડે છે. બોડી, main part in which you will discuss, describe, analysis and you will justify recommendations. અહીંયા તમે કોઈ પણ મુશ્કેલીનું નિરાકરણ કરો છો. ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ, તમને HRM, human resource management, yes, human resource manager, being a human resource manager, if the report, if the higher authorities have given you an opportunity to prepare a report about the lower level management and what they are doing, like are they satisfied with the organizational environment or something, like if they have put up something, if they have put up some demand of something, તો તમે એને રિલેટેડ રિપોર્ટ તમને કામગીરી સોંપવામાં આવી છે તો તમે રિપોર્ટમાં શું કરશો, તો કે યસ, ઓબ્વિયસલી હાયર ઓથોરિટીઝ હેવ ગિવન યુ અ કાઇન્ડ ઓફ process to undergo, and while passing through this you came across with a few people who are of lower level management. તમે lower level management workersની સાથે વાત કરી. yes, you had a talk, you had a words with them. એ લોકોની જે મુશ્કેલીઓ છે એ તમે સાંભળી, રાઈટ? એટલે એ લોકોને જે બ્રેકથી લઈને, જે એ લોકોના વર્કિંગ અવર્સથી લઈને, જે એ લોકોની પ્રાઇમરી રિક્વાયરમેન્ટ્સથી લઈને, ટ્રાન્સપોર્ટેશન્સથી લઈને જેટલી જેટલી સમસ્યાઓ છે એ બધી જ તમને ડિસ્ક્રાઇબ કરી. એન્ડ એવરીથિંગ યુ વિલ નરેટ ઇન ધ રિપોર્ટ. એને આધારે તમે અમુક રેકમેન્ડેશન્સ આપશો, સૂચનો કરશો અને અંતે રિપોર્ટને કન્ક્લુડ કરશો, જેથી કરીને સંસ્થા એની ઉપર અમલ કરી શકે. So under the body, this is the main section of the report. The previous sections needed to be written in plain English, but this section can include jargon from your industry. જ્યારે જરૂર પડે છે ત્યારે એવા ટિપિકલ ટેકનિકલ વર્ડ્સ એટલે કે જાર્ગનનો તમે ઉપયોગ કરી શકો. ઇન વિચ ઇન્ડસ્ટ્રી યુ આર એસોસિએટેડ વિથ અકોર્ડિંગ ટુ એઝ પર ધ રિક્વાયરમેન્ટ ઓફ ધ ઇન્ડસ્ટ્રી યુ કેન અડોપ્ટ certain words, certain jargons as per the requirement. Information is usually arranged in order of importance with the most important information coming first. If you wish, a discussion section can be included to go over your findings and their significance. So naturally, after the introduction you will write findings, and then after you will write recommendations. Findings એટલે તારણ. તમે એ સમસ્યા ઉપર જેટલી જેટલી વાતો ભેગી કરી છે, વોટ એવર ડેટા યુ કલેક્ટેડ, દેટ you will justify in findings, under the findings, and later on you will justify the recommendations. એને આધારે તમે સૂચનો કરશો કે જેટલી જેટલી બાબતો સુધારાની જરૂર કે અવકાશ છે એ લખશો, right? And then you will conclude your report. It describes the problem, the data was collected and how the data was collected, and discussed the major findings. The body may be broken into subsections like subheadings. જ્યારે જરૂર પડે છે ત્યારે તમે subheadingsનો ઉપયોગ કરો છો, અને એમાંનું સૌથી પહેલું subheading થઈ ગયું છે findings. Later on you will write conclusion. Here writer should be very clear about the recommendations which are required to be given and actions to be taken for the future development of the organization. Conclusion should be given properly. Suggestions are always given by the writers and the decisions are made by the upper level of management. So accordingly, upper level will decide what to make, what changes are required to make for the organizational betterment. તમારે જે રિપોર્ટ લખવાનો આવે છે ગર્લ્સ, એને બિઝનેસ રિપોર્ટ રાઇટિંગ કહેવાય. એને અંતર્ગત તમારે નોર્મલી બિઝનેસ રિપોર્ટ રાઇટિંગ બે પ્રકારના હોય છે: ઇન્ડિવિજ્યુઅલ રિપોર્ટ રાઇટિંગ, collective report writing. Individual report writing is only there in your syllabus, and to know about that, the objectives behind this, there are some important objectives for writing a report. These objectives are given as below. Keeping schedules, timetable up to date. બિઝનેસ રિપોર્ટ રાઇટિંગ લખવા પાછળના કારણો એ જ હોય છે, રેકોર્ડ કીપિંગ માટે રાખવામાં આવે છે. Providing information to a large number of readers, presentations of the record of a completed task, recommendations of actions that can solve certain issues, keeping record of complex data for future reference, gathering and organizing information on a particular topic. એક કરતાં વધારે માત્રામાં લોકોને ખ્યાલ આવે કે શું તકલીફ છે. ઘણીવાર પ્રેઝન્ટેશન માટે પણ રેકોર્ડ કરેલી બાબતો છે એ ઉપયોગમાં આવે છે. રેકમેન્ડેશન્સ એટલે કે સૂચનોથી શું બને છે, કામ સહેલું બને છે. રેકોર્ડ કીપિંગ માટે એ કોમ્પ્લેક્સ ડેટા પણ સાચવી શકાય છે થ્રુ રેકોર્ડ કીપિંગ થ્રુ, અને જ્યારે જ્યારે જરૂર પડે છે ત્યારે ઓર્ગેનાઇઝેશનનો ઉપયોગ કરી શકે છે. ફાઇન ગર્લ્સ, I am ending here. We'll continue with this on tomorrow, like what to write in the individual report, what is individual report writing, and what are the parts of individual report, and then I will be showing the example to draft, or while drafting the individual report, what to write under the report. We'll have a practice practically, or we'll be learning practically on tomorrow. Till that, you revise the thing, whatever is given to you, and we'll continue on tomorrow. Thank you and have a good day.